everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study again probability. If there are 15 girls and 17 boys in a class, what is the probability of selecting a boy? So our solution, we have to determine first the possible outcome and the favorable outcome. So the number of possible outcome, we're going to add 15 girls and 17 boys. So that's why the total number of possible outcome is 32 students. Then the favorable outcome, since asking for the probability of boy, we are going to write 17 boys because we have the given is only 17 boys. Then using the formula, the probability of boy equals the number of favorable outcome over the number of possible outcomes. So the favorable outcome is 17 and the possible outcome is 32. So therefore the probability of selecting boy is 17 over 32. And a music club, 15 students know how to play the piano, 9 students know how to play guitar, and 3 students know how to play both the instrument. If a student will be chosen at random, what is the probability of selecting a student who knows how to play the piano? So first we're going to know to determine the number of possible outcome. So we're going to add 15 students plus 9 students know how to play piano and guitar, and we're going to minus the 3 students who are playing both the instruments. So that's why our total possible outcome is 21. So the computation is 15 plus 9 minus 3 equals 21. And for the favorable outcome, since we have only 15 students know how to play the piano, so the favorable outcome is only 15 students. So to solve the probability of a student knows how to play piano is equals to favorable outcome over the number of possible outcome. So the favorable outcomes 15 students over the 21 students, which is the possible outcome, the total number of possible outcome. Then we're going to reduce 15 divided by 21. So we're going to reduce this by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So therefore, the probability of a student knows how to play piano is 5 over 7. Okay, the next problem. In a PTA meeting, 30 parents are in favor of the proposed project, while 5 are not. If a parent will be asked to lead the team, what is the probability that the one chosen is in favor of the proposed project? So again, the solutions, we're going to determine the number of possible outcome and the number of favorable outcome. So the number of possible outcomes, so we're going to add 30 parents and 5 parents. So we have the total number of possible outcomes is 35. Then the favorable outcome, we have only 30 parents favor for the project. Okay, since the question is asking for the favor parents who lead the team, So our favorable outcome, the number is 30. So therefore, to solve this problem, the probability is equals 30 over 35. The favorable outcome is 30 and the possible outcome is 35. Then we're going to divide it by 5. We're going to reduce 30 divided by 5 is 6 and 35 divided by 7 equals 6 over 7. So the probability of choosing, the probability that the one chosen is in favor of the proposed project is 6 over 7.